What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be giving you guys some education, guys, for the free. And what topic are we going to be going over, Daniel? We're going to be talking about order blocks. Just kidding, gang. We don't trade that. So what are we going to be going over, Daniel? We're going to be going over what I like to call, it's a 5-minute setup, guys. It's kind of like a tight shift setup, guys, where, well, I'll kind of explain to you guys, but I call this the fake and break, right? So let's go and let's get into it. Alrighty, so this is a little setup I'm seeing here, guys. So I'd be taking these buys over here for sure, with stop loss like right here, under these lows, and I'd be targeting 3 areas, right? 1-to-1 always, TP1, definitely see these as a target, and then we would be most likely stopping out the sellers that push price all the way down here, right? Now, Daniel, that's a very aggressive, that's a scary setup. Don't you think it's gambling because we're going down? Yeah, I mean, it's a very risky setup. But it's very promising setups. You know what I'm saying? You can't take them all the time. They're not always going to work, but you know, they tend to happen a lot. Like this is a very nice solid one here. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, notice how we have been dropping like crazy. So once we got to this little level of support over here, I won't want to say little, but it's pretty heavy level. That's why I have it in blue. I don't know if you guys can see my other levels, but let's go to 15 minute. Why did that disappear? Yo, where did my freaking, there you go. Like, why did that disappear? I didn't even delete it. Anyways. Right, so now this consists of me looking at this little channel being broken, right? Where's my thing? Here it is. Sorry guys, it's been a minute. I'm a little hyper, I'm not gonna lie. I'm drinking a coffee. I haven't had a freaking latte with double shot in forever. So I'm a little wired, right? So notice how we have like this little channel, right? So we seem to be breaking this channel, right? Bullish engulfing here, breaking out, and now we're kind of getting a little break and retest. So it's very solid, right? So it might look like, okay, continuation for sales. Yeah, it does kind of look like it. But remember, this is a tight shift setup. So it's kind of like trading. It's, I guess you can want to say, you would trade the pullback, right? We're pulling back, you know what I'm saying? So we break this channel, right? Boom. And now we're most likely going to rip up here. So let's go a little bit more into explanation. So we have this little channel, right? We have the support. So we break down under the support and then we break back above. That's why we call it a fake out, because we faked out sellers to sell. Right? And now we broke back, stopped out the sellers. So now it's a fake out. So fake and then break. So we faked out sellers going under support and we broke back above support. So that's why it's called fake and break. Now we also broke back above this very beautiful little channel, I guess, here, or little trend lanes here. I don't know. You guys call them whatever you want to call them. You know, I like to simplify my trading. You know what I'm saying? And clearly, you can see the imbalance order block of the market flow liquidity from Goldman Sachs incoming on this 4-hour imbalance. So, I mean, easily buys. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right, let me stop trolling, bro. I'm sorry. These smart money concept traders, I swear to God, it's the funniest shit ever. Like, I trade like the banks, dude. Well, I trade like a retard, so we still catch the same setups. But anyways, so now there's 3 targets we're most likely going to happen, right? So if this move does play out, then we're most likely going to hit. Of course, TP1, always 1-to-1. So let's just put it at 1.3. So that's a nice 27 pips. Now, there's also a little mini resistance that was formed. You can kind of see like a little break and retest also happening here as well. So it's pretty solid. Break and retest here. So we'd be definitely hitting these targets most likely if our trade is going to be valid. And then we're most likely going to be hitting these targets right up here as well. Boom, 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 because like little resistance here that was formed. So we have support, resistance, break, right? Beautiful, solid. And then, of course, our last target would be this target here. Now, before I even say why, I know a lot of people are like, oh, I know why. And so the reason why people would be like, Daniel, I know why. You are fucking... I'm just going to take this buy with you guys. So we're going to take a little... We'll take a little 20 lot, actually. What would be a solid stop loss? Solid stop loss would be like 920. I'm a little late on my entry, but it is what it is. I do plan to see this move happen. So now, oh my God. Instantly in profit. That's crazy. Alrighty, so now what happens, right? So this move, I'm gonna give you guys a second to think about it. Why would we use this as an overall target? So the reason why we use this as an overall target, guys, is because this is where basically this whole drop happened, right? So sellers pushed the market real heavy down here, right? So this is our little resistance, and then this is the push that broke market structure, taking out these lows. So this push would be our final target, right? But of course, we have swing traders out here that can definitely swing it and can hold it all the way back up here. I can't do that. I don't know why. I've never been able to hold this swing unless I've taken like 3 consecutive losses, 4 consecutive losses. I'm on a losing streak, and then I see a really strong potential. I'm gonna hold that trade, and I can hold it if I've lost. But if I'm like decent, like if I'm decent, I'm not losing like crazy, or like, you know, I'm on a win streak, I don't really hold trades. Take my 101, come back later. It's very good for your psychology. But anyways, guys, let's come back in a little bit and let's see what's happening with our trade. But in the meantime, guys, let's go and let's do some back testing so we can see this. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into some back testing, right? So I was thinking everybody's gonna be like, oh, Daniel, you trade GBP, JPY, so your memory's probably that good to remember when price has dropped, when it's gone up, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I was thinking maybe we can do gold. I don't trade gold, you guys know that, but this works on every single pair, right? So one thing we're gonna do with gold is, this is what we're gonna do. Boom, you see? We're gonna make it as small as possible so it looks like a little line, right? So it looks like a straight line. You can't even cheat this. So let's go here, or maybe eyes closed here. Oh no, I didn't even click it. Did I click it? No, wait. Let me keep going. Sorry. Okay, cool. Lit. My trade is in profit. Lit. Oh my god. That's a fucking, that's heavy trend right there. LOL. Can we go to the 5-minute? Yes! Alright, cool. Right? So let's do this. Damn, that looks, sheesh. Alright, so now what are we gonna look at? Right? So we're gonna draw this little level right here. Oh my god, these candles are massive. So let's draw this little level right here, right? This little most rejection area. Rejection, 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 rejection. So heavy level, fat rejection. So now look, we had, oops, sorry. So we have, sorry guys, I'm a little like hyper and like, I don't know. So we have this rejection area, right? We broke above, we have this little kind of mini channel. You know what I'm saying? Like if you guys have a hard time taking a shot, you zoom out and scroll. You know what I'm saying? That's probably the best way. So now this area, no, I'm not trading tonight, ma'am. So in this area, what do I see, right? I see price kind of broke above this level of resistance. Now we have a little resistance forming here, correct? So now I'm gonna little highlight this area here. So notice we have this little resistance here. Now what's gonna happen? We're gonna most likely either do one or two things. We're either gonna hit this area or we're gonna hit this area right here, correct? So now, what do we have to do? We have to be patient, right? So let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, it is Asian. So now we have what we call a break of structure. We just broke these lows, took out these lows. Now we're taking out these lows. I would say this is breaking structure, correct? So now let's keep going. Now this looks like a very nice solid impulse sell. Now let's see what happens if we take this sell. Let's put like 30 pip stop loss because it is gold, and see if we can target this area. This would be a very solid break, an impulse entry. Let's see what happens. So we won our trade. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a fake and break set up, but you know, we got a typical beautiful freaking trade, guys. You know, we had a break of this channel. We have resistance. We broke these lows, took out these lows, ranged. And remember, guys, ranges are created for only one reason and one reason only, guys. It's for them to be broken and then come back to the previous level of support and resistance. Okay. So I mean, that was a pretty beautiful sell. What I really wanted to see was maybe I can show you guys a setup on going like downwards, because it's really hard to get those fake and break setups on, like, you know what I'm saying, like on like selling vibes. You know what I'm saying? But you can kind of see, like, for example, you can kind of see it over here. But I wouldn't really say this was like too valid, but yeah, you can kind of see it. Like we have like, for example, the support, we break under, then we faked out, and then basically we looked like we were gonna go bullish, but then of course we ended up not. But this level had the most rejections, So I think I'm gonna use this level higher than this level right here. You know what I'm saying? But you know, that was a very beautiful sell. What about 60 pips target? Now let's see what's gonna happen. So now, boom, boom, boom. Let's just fast forward, guys. Okie dokie. Let's remove this. Oh my god, that's not even funny. Okay, let's see if I can get some. Let's see if I can get some setups in here so I can show you guys. This is 20. Okay, now let's keep going a little forward. I want to get into session. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. All right, guys. So you can kind of see the setup right over here. We have support being created. Right here, basically, that looks more solid. We got rejections, reversal rejections. Break of support. Faked out the sellers, not break. Now, I mean, this would be kind of a solid entry right over here. It looks like momentum is picking up, very heavy. Very aggressive trade, guys. Let's put like 20, 25 pips. Very, very aggressive trade. But let's give it a chance here. And let's see what happens. Hopefully momentum is not too strong. And momentum seems to be picking up strong. Oh, we're not even in session. LOL. Yeah, it deserves to lose that one trade, boys. Asian session, basically. Anyways, let's keep going. Sheesh. Alright, now our second chance buy is definitely incoming. Now let's give it a shot. Now that we're kind of like in London session, let's give it a chance now. Ugh. I need to really pay attention to the time frames. Solid. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Beautiful. Godly. That was embarrassing. Is it tight shift? Are we gonna catch a tight shift? Boom. Okie dokie. Oh gosh. But as you guys can see, we hit our 3 targets, right? We hit our first target here, second target here, and then third target here. Yeah, I don't know why I need to. Who the fuck trades gold at fucking 11 o'clock at night? It wasn't even fucking London session. My bad. Anyway. Yeah, who the fuck does that? But anyways, you guys see, bro. Look at this fucking 80 pip move. Fucking solid, right? That was very beautiful. Now let's calculate our drawdown, right? What was our drawdown? We gave our trade a second chance here. We had no drawdown. Okay, LOL. Amazing. Might go back to gold. Now let's do odd US dollar. Right? So, wow, this is very fucking terrible. Oh my god, how do people trade this? Oh my goodness. Does it even let me go this far? Okay, cool. Okay, oops. Yeah, it does. Yeah, okay. Let's check this out. Oh gosh, that was funny. People are like, oh, he got clapped. Fucking Asian session noob. I don't know, every time I trade Asian session I lose. Like, did I really just fucking do that by accident? Oh my god. Anyways, let's check our trade. Trade seems to be getting clapped right now, guys. Looks like our momentum didn't really hold. I mean, our estimate's holding, our level's holding. I mean, it's 6:30 in the morning. This is like not really a great time to trade. That's why I threw a little small lot, but there's still mad potential in this setup. So let's go back to AUD, or maybe this is a Euro. Euro GBP. No, I don't like Euro GBP. Euro USD, Euro NZD. No. I know a lot of people requested me to show them videos of freaking watch. Dude, I know I have Euro USD in here somewhere. What is this? Oh, I was clicking on it. It was in green also. What the fuck? Anyways, let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, and we remove some drawings here. 27 drawings. Sheesh. Alrighty, so. Perfect. Alright, this is March 22nd. That looks fucking hilarious. Alrighty, oh my god. Alrighty, let's do 10 pip increments. So now let's do a little quick analysis. What did we see, right? So we see this little channel here, break of structure, great. We have a solid break of structure, great. We have support being created, great. We got resistance being created. So we could potentially see sells up to here, right? That looks solid. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's get into session. Ooh. So look at that, right? So it looks like we are faking sellers. Let's see. No, it looks like we're faking buyers. We get a bearish. If we get a bearish, I'm taking that buy. I'm taking that sell. Oh my god, dude, really? LOL. Well, there goes our entry, boys. How many pips was that? 24 pips, honestly. If that was GJ, that probably would have been like 100 freaking pips. Let's keep going. Oh, that was the end of the week also. Anyways, let's get into session. My god, this is terrible. Ooh, can we get a fake and break setup? Lit. No, clearly not. Oh, looks like it could possibly be forming, but it is Asian session. We don't like to trade Asian session because we lose. There you go. Looks like we're getting there. And 4-hour candle just opened. So we're making the 4-hour low. Yeah, 4-hour low. Taking these buys. 4-hour just flipped bullish basically. Fake and break. Let's go. Oh my god, 10 pip stop loss. What the fuck? All right, let's see what happens. Yay! Oh my god, really? Was that even a 1-to-1? Barely 13 pips. Oh my god. Oh shit. Hell yeah, let's go. Now it's a 1-to-1. Oh! Lit. Alright, cool. So this would be, remember those, this would be, remember 1-to-1 target. Very beautiful, solid. To this level, then our second level here. Now let's go to our third level, right? Where would be our third level? Well, this would kind of a very nice level here. Just because, you know, this is the second, this is where basically structure was broken. So I'd definitely, oh, pull back, really? Nice. Oh my god, there's news here. Should we trade news? Let's trade news. Take this buy. We're news gamblers, boys. What are you talking about? Scaling freaking news gambling? Let's go. Never mind. What was this? This was retail. I don't know what this is. We don't trade news. But anyways, let's go. Really? Yo, this is why we don't trade news, boys. Ooh, should I gamble? So let's do a little gamble over here. News is over. LOL, that's funny. I seem to have bad luck with news. What's up, gang? Oh, so much clicking. Did we hit our 1-to-1 targets? Yeah, we did. 20 pips, nice. So very solid. Don't trade news, guys, clearly. Wow, that's fucked up. Notice how this thing came straight back down. Let's take out our stop losses. Well, our stops were at break even, of course, at this point. But it came back to stop out the buyers that pushed price up in this area. This is what we call a correction. So it provided more buying opportunities in the market. And that's why price, when it stopped out all these sellers, when it stopped out all these buyers, notice how the market started ripping back up, right? Very, very noticeable right there, as you guys can see. Kind of have this level, bam, 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 beautiful, right? So you can kind of see the little bit of a fake and break here, but I mean, it doesn't really look too much of it. But anyways, news sucks. I hate news. I don't know how to trade fundamentals, bro. Like I don't know. I've never been able to get lucky with trades. I mean, honestly, I used to trade fundamentals with technicals when Trump was president, and I used to slaughter on gold. I used to do very lovely on gold, literally. And now it's like, thank you, Biden. Biden manipulates my trades. Just kidding. Yeah, looks like we're gonna sell off. Gonna start ripping up. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, did look nice. You know what I'm saying? How many pips was that? This is Asian session though. Oh, it's 20 pips. Damn. It does look nice. You guys can't lie. That looked like a very solid sell right there. You know what I'm saying? This looks like a very solid sell, but it's too early. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty. Cool. Oh snap. Are we gonna get a fake and break for sells now? Oh snap. Alright, let's take it out. I mean, we just took out all these lows, but it looked like we could be retracing. But it takes balls of steel to take this trade. What time is it? Fuck it, right? Let's risk it for the biscuit. I don't think this is a very solid trade though. I don't really like it. You know what I'm saying? Because we just did perfect structure, but we did take out all these. We did take all these sellers out. So I mean, there is probably more buying opportunities, but we are bullish. So I mean, this is very gamble right here because now it's like it looks like we're really fucking gambling. But yo, you gonna tell me, bro, that wasn't lucky? Hit our trade 1-to-1 and then it ripped. Yeah, I'm telling you, it looked like a gamble. Anyways, that's enough for Euro USD, guys. Let's go to fucking GJ here. Where you at, GJ? GJ seems to be ripping up very nicely. Nice, solid. Bro, that was fucking hilarious, actually. Now, we're at this 200 psychological right now. So, if we keep rejecting this, I'm going to close my trade. You know what I'm saying? We have massive rejections to a 200, which I really don't like, but, you know, it is what it is. If we can break 200, I can definitely see us coming to 500. You know what I'm saying? But, anyways, I don't want to trade today, actually, because I didn't start my week off that good. I'm 2 losses and 2 wins. Like, lose my first trade, win my second trade, make my money back. All right, whatever. Lit, come back tomorrow. Win a trade, lose a trade. I'm like, what the fuck? Lose a trade, win a trade. Lose a trade, win a trade. Break even. Break even. Break even. And the crazy thing is, I didn't even take profits on my fucking TP1 on my other trade. So I'm like, still down fucking 0.5%. But, you know, that's trading, guys. I think I really thought GJ was going to hit 165, and it didn't. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. You know, you can't win them all. But anyways, let's get into some base action. Anyways, gang. So definitely, I hope you guys like this video, guys. Those setups are very high quality. They're very, very good setups. This is one of my favorite trading setups. You just gotta really, really practice them. Yo, I'm out of breath, guys. I'm telling you, there's something about double shots and coffee. There's something about caffeine that really gets me out of breath, and it gets me like, and it gets my heart pumping. You know what I'm saying? GJ is pumping though too. Ooh, we all pumping over here. You know, this is not a very easy setup to master, guys. You gotta really wrap your psychology around it. Sometimes you know and sometimes you don't know. Like that one setup, I really didn't feel comfortable about it. It did end up going in my favor, but look at what happened right after. You know what I'm saying? And you know, it will happen and it won't happen, but I feel like we got lucky on that setup. You know, trust your gut sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But you know, you guys should really honestly practice the setup. You know, take a whole session, take a 30-minute backtesting session, guys. Go on a 5-minute, guys. Don't look at the trend, just do what I did. Close your eyes, go like that, boom, boom, make a line, and then zoom in. You know, and dude, just go in a session, you know what I'm saying? And then just go ham, you know, and then let me know in the comments below, guys. Yo, I took 10 trades. Do 10 trades, guys. Come on, do 10 trades. Do it like a little homework. Do 10 trades. If you guys can do all 10 trades, you guys are savage. But let me know in the comments below, you know, what you guys think about the video. What do you think about the setup? And then, you know, be like, yo, Daniel, I did that. I came back, and come back to your comment. You know what I'm saying? Come back to the comment and then let me know. I'm going to be replying to comments. Be like, yo, Daniel, I'm 5 for 5. I took 6 wins. I took 4 losses, blah, blah, blah. You know, let me know how you guys feel. You know, let me know how you guys feel about the setup. And you guys feel comfortable taking the setup. You know, remember, guys, you got to use them around support and resistance, guys. Go a little bit with the trend. But remember, guys, you can kind of catch this. You can kind of catch most of the pullbacks using these setups. But they're very, very solid setups, guys. Price action, support, resistance, fakes, breaks. Love it, dude. So do some back testing. Come back and let me know. Anyways, hope you guys like this video, guys. Come back and come back. No, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe and turn the notifications on so when the next video comes out, you'll be back. See you later, gang.